Hello. My name's Robert Reynolds. Said I need to change that badly. Apparently, I haven't gone to a laptop yet. So, if you would let me know if it could be done by a tablet, that'd be great. If it can't, then it's fine. Sorry about the black screen. It's more like an audio log right now. This is for today. Because I'm hiding the light, so I won't get in trouble. I live in Florida. Fan of y'all Meat Wagon. If anyone will get in touch with Meat Wagon, tell them to do some more Left 4 Dead survival. That'd be great. Because I don't know why I stopped when they were so great. And in the next episode I'll show you some drawings. And then maybe like see who I am. So yeah.